channel. My name is Wendy and today I'm doing an Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate unboxing. I finally got it today. I'm so excited. I did kind of cheat and take a look-see at the app to see what would be in the box. So I have a general idea. I'm not really sure what to expect on some items. So let's get this party started. Okay, first things first, gotta break into this bad boy. Alright, y'all please ignore my nails. They are horrendous. Like, I tried this nail dip powder stuff for the first time last night. No, it did not go over so well. So I tried to put some nail polish over top for the sake of having those layers to hold the tip on and add color. The whole thing just turned out awful. So if you see my nails, please do not judge me. They are just a train wreck. So, opening the box, this is what it looks like. Well, full of goodies. And I love that they actually sent a little booklet this month. Not every month do they send one showing the details of what you got. So I guess I'll just start on the top and dig it. Let's see, the first thing is Space Case Cosmetics highlighter. That's a cute little box. Let's see if I can get into it. Seen from Space 1A. It's just the typical little package. But I'm going to swatch it and see what it looks like. Ooh, it's very pigmented. So I don't know if you guys can see that. I did, oh, I'm not trying to flip you off. Put some right there. It's very light. I'm going to say it's very natural. And the color is very champagne-like. It's not quite gold, but I'm going to say it's more of a champagne, which I really like. So this will definitely be going in my collection. So excited! Ooh, this is Evelyn Rose. Crabtree and Evelyn. Grow Your Mind. So this is a perfume. Itty bitty thing. But I love getting perfumes. That's probably one of my favorite things to get. Ooh, I don't know if I like this. Okay, right off the bat, it's not one of my favorites. I think I'm going to let this sit for a while I look at the other stuff, and then I'll determine if I actually like this or not. But that's very strong and musky. I'm not really a fan. I like more fresh and floral, and that's just very harsh and no. Alright, Milk Makeup. Matcha Purifying Mask. Face Mask. Solid Clay Mask Stick. Cleanses pores, controls oil, and calms redness for a fresh complexion. Ooh. I've never used a mask like this. and I am always looking for a very good mask. So, oh, you gotta twist it. I'm curious about this. Oopsie. There's really no smell. I'm just gonna rub it on my hand just to see what it feels like. Oh, it's very creamy. And there's really not a whole lot of color there. I mean, it's green, but it is not what I was expecting. I was honestly expecting it to be like a very hard, chalky like thing. I think I'm gonna like this. So that's definitely a keeper. Another brush. I'm always getting brushes in my Ipsy boxes. This is Real Her. This is what I got. Nothing fancy. I'm definitely going to keep this as like a backup brush because I do my makeup on a daily basis and I do my best to keep my brushes clean, but in my case I love to have extra brushes on hand, so some of my brushes need washing. I still have some I can go to. So this will be a backup brush, but it is very nice. Oh, one big question about subscriptions like this is if it's really worth it. If you get your money's worth in the items that you receive every month. And I will actually calculate what the value of this box is. I spent, all in all, what came out of my account was $53.50. And on the website, it advertises as this particular box is $50. As we go through the items, I will look at this book. It does have the MSRP for each item in here. And then towards the end of the video, I will actually sit down and calculate and let you guys know what the actual total price is. Goodness, I do a lot of rambling. I'm sorry. Okay, so this first one that we looked at, Space Case Highlighter, values for $9, and this is the full size. This Milk Makeup Mask. Let's see, where is it? It's the full size and it values $26. This perfume is a deluxe sample, obviously. This brush is $20. So let's see, on to the next. Then the Masca Loaded Lip Polish. I'm down. I like a good clear polish. And see, it's just a basic clear lip gloss, really. See how it feels. I hate glosses or polishes that are tacky. With my hair being so long, like when the wind blows and then it wraps in my face and then it gets stuck and I'm sitting there pulling the strings of hair out of my mouth. Hot mess, not cute. This is not tacky, really. I mean, it's going to have a little bit of stick, but it's not tacky at all. It's very creamy. I like that. I don't know if you can really see that it's right through here. I mean, it's clear, so I was hoping you could see like where the light hits it and it kind of shines. That's a good spot. But yeah, I like this. This will be going in my collection as well. That is full size and it's $25. here are two face masks. Starskin VIP. Illuminating Luxury Biocellulose Face Mask and Instantly Recovering Luxury Cream Coating Face Mask. Oh, that is a mouthful. I'm not really a fan of sheet masks. One thing I don't like about masks is they already scare the bejesus out of my husband. I mean, he will not even look at me when I have a mask on. Sheet masks, that's like a whole nother level of my husband does not like. Me personally, besides my husband's opinion on what he does or doesn't like, I don't care for sheet masks because I've had many different brands and they always say, you know, won't slide or slip. They always end up slipping and sliding and tearing, and it's just, I feel like it's more of a hassle than what it's worth. But I don't know if I'm going to give these a try or not. They sound great, but I don't know. Let's see what their value is though. $30 for these two masks. So already, like, I don't have an exact value in my head, but we've already obviously cleared $53. I'm definitely gonna say Ipsy is well worth the money. I've had the most basic bag, I've had the next one up, and then this one I've been getting for probably a year now. And I love it. I absolutely love it. Let's see. Oh, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this, but it's a sea berry hair mask. I bet I'll show you guys what it looks like. Why will my camera not go in focus? Hopefully you can read that. But, sea berry hair mask. This is a deluxe sample as well. Curious if it has a fragrance. Okay, so now that it's open, I can't really... Ooh. So it's a very light berry fragrance. I really like that. I think this is going to be very, very nice. Alright, on to the next. H2O Hydration Oasis Refreshing Gel Moisturizer. This is a deluxe sample as well, I'm gonna say. Yes. And I don't think I know I've never used a gel moisturizer before. If you have, let me know in the comments below what you think about gel moisturizers as opposed to your traditional lotion moisturizer. Okay, so putting a little bit, I'm running out of places to put stuff on my hand. Putting a drop on the back of my wrist. Really not much of a smell for this one. If there is any, I'd have to say it's very, very minimal. And very clean, almost like soap. Other than that, it's not tacky. It feels water-based. Well, H2O plus. I mean, yeah, I guess so. It's very nice. I think I could keep this around for a while. Get some more when I run out. But, I mean, first impression, I like it. It's very light. It doesn't feel like it's going to be something that's really just overwhelming to put on the face. Alright. The moment I've been waiting for. So every month I get to pick out one item to go in my Ipsy box. And I get a selection of like maybe 6 or 8 different items to choose from. And I think it's pretty obvious so far that I absolutely love MAC. I am not a MAC snob by any means, but they are one of my favorite brands. And they actually had an option for MAC on the selection list of what I could pick. Instantly, I went right for it. I love a good classic red lip. I love MAC, so what's better than a red lipstick? This one is Sweet Sakura, and this is the Cream Sheen lipstick. And y'all, I'm so excited it got here because I have a feeling I will be using it in my next tutorial. Alright, I'm seriously starting to run out of places on my hand. So on the description, it says that this lipstick is blendable. You can put like 1 coat for a very light application. You put more and build it up, which I do like. Just a couple sweeps of that on my hand and this is what I get. A little bit more, a bit more intense. And even more, and this is what we get. That's kind of hard to see, I guess. So, it looks red, to me anyways, definite red, but applying it, it's more of a berry. It's almost got a pink tint to it, so it's almost like a pinky red. I really like this. Definitely going to be a keeper. It's an interesting color because I really thought it was going to be that classic red, kind of like Ruby Woo. I think that's what it is, Ruby Woo. It's not. I like the shine it has. Toscana. I don't know. I'm gonna be a dumb blonde for a minute and just tell you I don't know how to say this word. But here's the package. Super cute. I really love it. And then the back. Oh no, just to get it out. This is another item I've been so excited to get because I have been playing with colors and trying to put together a good pumpkin spice inspired makeup look. I've had some okay color combinations with the colors that I have, but this is absolutely perfect for what I want to do and what I have envisioned in my mind. So, that being said, this is what it looks like. Some beautiful colors. Absolutely perfect for fall. I cannot wait to try these. So I'm going to swatch some on my fingers. Oh, they are very pigmented and very creamy. Like they're powder, but they feel so creamy. You can see how pigmented that is. I like barely touch and bam. Y'all, I think this is going to be one of my favorite palettes. This is the bomb. Okay. That is $27. Oh my goodness, I've got makeup everywhere. Alright, the Cottage Greenhouse. Skin defense treatment for mature or dry skin. Pomegranate facial serum with orange and lavender. I love this box. It is so stinking cute. That is just the most adorable thing. I believe I've gotten stuff from this brand before, and I really, really liked it. So, I have high hopes for this one. So let's just put a drop on my other hand and see how it feels. Okay. A drop there. Using a clean finger. It doesn't feel very oily. It's like, it doesn't have a heavy oil feel. It feels like a very light serum. Oh, y'all, and it smells so good. The fragrance is not a punch in your face. I feel like wearing this is going to be very pleasant. It's not going to be one of those things that having it on your face is like, oh my God, this is just too much, and you want to take it off. It's very delicate and fresh and fruity, and it's everything that I want in a perfume. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. I cannot wait to use this. Like, yes, I'll probably be using it tonight. That, my friends, $32. And then we have, oh, this is another name that I am not even gonna try to say, but I will show you the box. This is Youth Performance Optum Eyes Intensive Revitalizing 3-in-1 Eye Contour Cream. Dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. This is what it looks like. Let's see here. We already know that I have that one particular favorite eye cream that brightens and depuffs. The Origins Ginseng eye cream. I don't feel like anything will ever replace that, but this may be a good eye cream to sit right next to it. The bottle is very classy. I think it's plastic, which stinks. It looks like glass, so that's cute. Very classic, clean look. This is what it looks like. The top. Now, the question is, how do you open this? Oh, okay. So you twist it to open and close it. So I'm gonna put, let's see, a drop right here. Well, whenever it starts, there we go. Once it came out, I put one little pump. Using a clean knuckle, because I'm out of clean fingers, I'm gonna rub it in right here and just see. I love how it feels. It's very light. I'm not sure about the fragrance of this one though. I do want to say it has a smell, but then again I don't. I mean, it definitely has a certain smell to it. It's one of those that it's bearable. It's not horrible. or awful, horrendous, none of that. It's definitely something I could live with on my face. But it's not as great smelling as my other stuff. So yeah. Anyway, that is a full-size bottle. This alone, $49. So this basically pays for, is worth the box. So ultimately what came out of my account was $53.50. This is $49, so this and one more thing, and you've got your money's worth already. So definitely recommend subscribing to the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. So last thing is the cosmetic bag that comes in every single month's box. Every month it's something different, and this month is really cute. I feel like it's kind of a boho, maybe desert, like southwestern type feel, maybe beachy, coastal. Anyways, this is it. Isn't that so stinking cute? This part is so soft. And then this feels like, not leather, but that other stuff. Yeah, I think you know what I'm talking about. I'm having a total brain fart. I have not had enough coffee in my life today. Speaking of which, let me grab a sip. Okay, so yes, the cosmetic bag that comes in each box is basically Ipsy's free gift. It is not in the book. If you go on the app and you look at what you're getting each month, you'll see your cosmetic bag up at the top, but it will not have a description. It will not have a price. It's just a picture of it there. Everything else that you're getting, though, it will have a description, how to use it, ingredients, about the brand, how much it is, if it's a full-size item, if it's a deluxe sample, all kind of great information there that is also found in this little booklet. So, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate unboxing, and that you come back and you check out my unboxing for next month. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit that bell button so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, you guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.